Yeah. Hanya hai kita dah baca baca nyawa bawa ni. Okay, jadi kita ni tengok cakap cakap ni baca lah. Chicken, chicken. Kalau nak ni, chicken. Leh, kita nak tu leh. Boleh ni. Nhá. Nhớ kể là qua cả. Nhớ kể là qua cả là hay. Okay. Mà tao này ha. Cái tụi mà tao này ha. Mọi người thi về chịu. Cho nhá cho khi mà đây để ăn bữa mà đây nào. Ui. Cái này làm. Cho mình mở vào là cho là gì á. Okay. Cho mình mở vào là cho là gì. Mà bà là đang người đó mua đó này. Mua hai lần bà đang người đó. Mình cái đường này nào cho nhá cho nó. Mà ta thì cho nhá cho. Đây. Cho nhá cho. Yummy. Okay. Lấy trâu đi nó. Trâu bây giờ ăn này nó. Okay. Cho nó chắc hay trâu liều lo ăn này nó. Hi yo. It's oh, maybe he know you. Yes, looks very good, tasty, very tasty. Very tasty. Chưa mua. Chưa mua mình 5 chưa là okay. Very tasty. You want to try and come in here, okay? Yes, I can sell with you. Come in here. Ha. I have more, okay? Don't worry, I have more. Yeah, I have more here. So yeah, I have more. Okay. I don't want to eat right now. I want to eat with food. That's why. I want to eat with that. This is very faster. Cái lên lên phép lẽ là cái được. Băm lên là ra. Rồi nhỏ. Hello. You want to eat? You want to eat? You want to eat? Here. Too far, too far. Okay, finish this. It's nothing like this one. Not this one, not this one. This one is okay. One more time. Turn one more time. One more time after this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, very yummy. I want to go around to that. This is you know, the American United States. You should have the snowball, and you know, this is grass, cutting grass. You should have this one too. You don't have it, you have problem. It's a refrigerator. Let me show you this one. The big one. The one we had a lot of food. Oh, see, a lot of food. See. I didn't finish this one. Let me take it out. Let me take it out. Yeah. 2. Right here. 3 here. Right here. 4. Right here. I want to pick out this one first. Put it. Okay, and like this, easy. I think only 3 times more. I gotta fight. I want to put a fight. I want to put a fight here. One more here. Yeah, 5 more layers here. 5 more layers. Do you like it? Do you like it? Easy to cook. Okay, you go buy the warmer or some plate. Okay, and then put in with the rice or sticky rice or something powder. Okay, and after that, okay, you have to be solution. And then put in the wine. You can cook easy. You don't need to buy. You don't need to go buy the, expensive McDonald's or burger. Or you can do everything in your house. Okay, in your house. Only just give it time. Okay. Look. I'm very sweet. See? It's the hot one. I wanna use the hot one here. Okay. Okay. Okay, I see you. I see you later. Okay, that's just finished.